Hello guys. In this video, I would like to share how to fix our snap crisis in Google Chrome. I'm using Windows 10. Every time I open Google Chrome, it's always like this. Even type in the web address manually, it's failed to open. So this is how I fix the problem. First, I right-click on Google Chrome shortcut, then I click Properties. I go to Shortcut tab now. I will go to the end of target field. Theme will have this text or this string. You can copy this string from the description, then I put it in the last. Make sure you have space here. And I click Apply. If it's asking for admin permission, just click Continue. Then the last thing is change the compatibility. I choose Windows 8 compatibility. Click Apply, then click OK. Let's open the Google Chrome. Okay, now we can use Chrome for browsing. Method 2. Clear your cache and cookies. Sometimes clearing cache and cookies of the browser may resolve the issue. Here are the steps to clear cookies and cache data in Google Chrome. At the top right, click 3 dots and then select Settings from menu. Go to Privacy and Security section. Click Clear Browsing Data. Next, choose Time Range, and choose All Time. Select Cached Files, Cookies and Other Site Data, and uncheck the other types of data. Click on Clear Data button. Method 3. Disable extensions in Chrome. In the upper right corner, locate the 3-dot menu icon and click on it. Click on More Tools and select Extensions. You'll see a list of all Chrome extensions and a toggle where you can disable the extension that you don't use. If you no longer want to use specific extensions, you can click on Remove to remove the extension, and you'll no longer see them on your list. Thanks for watching this video.